What HVAC improvements work best for two-story homes? The best improvements are zoning with separate thermostats, balanced air distribution, better insulation and air sealing, and regular equipment maintenance. Two-story homes often feel too hot upstairs and too cold downstairs because warm air naturally rises, while the heating and cooling system may send the same amount of air everywhere. A zoning system uses motorized dampers inside the ductwork to direct heating or cooling where it is needed, and separate thermostats let each floor request its own temperature. If a full zoning system is too expensive, adjusting or adding return air grills can improve airflow, especially upstairs where hot air can collect. Sealing leaky ducts with approved duct sealant rather than ordinary cloth duct tape helps more conditioned air reach the rooms. Adding insulation in the attic and sealing gaps around recessed lights, plumbing openings, and attic access can reduce heat entering the upper floor. A variable speed blower can run at lower speeds for longer periods, which usually creates steadier temperatures and removes more indoor moisture. Ceiling fans can make rooms feel cooler, but they do not lower the room temperature, so turn them off when the room is empty. Have an air conditioning professional measure airflow and temperature differences before recommending equipment, because oversized systems can cool quickly without removing enough humidity. One common mistake is replacing the air conditioner before fixing duct leaks or poor insulation, so check the building envelope and airflow first. Another mistake is closing many supply vents downstairs to force more air upstairs, because this can raise duct pressure and strain the blower. Use proper balancing or zoning instead. People also often install a larger system thinking it will solve uneven temperatures, but oversized equipment may cycle too often and leave the home damp. Choose equipment based on a professional load calculation. Finally, do not ignore a dirty filter or blocked return grill, since restricted airflow can reduce comfort and damage the system. Check the filter regularly and keep returns clear. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Job It Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.